We're going to have a little fun today and make a wood and resin tray. First, I'm adding some dark green resin. This is tinted with mica powders and acrylics. My second color is a deep violet. It may look blue because of the camera and the lighting, but it is a dark purple. And the third color is silver. I believe I used art resin or K resin, I can't remember which. I'm popping the air bubbles with a torch. And then I take a palette knife here and I'm blending the colors together, trying to create a pretty design. Now we're going to use a heat gun. This will pop some of the air bubbles and it also blends out the resin, and I love the feathery kind of effect that it makes. Also wanted to note after creating this piece that I really like to mess with the design before the resin is all spread out over the tray, because as it stretches, other things happen and it turns even cooler. Here I also notice whether the resin is kind of flowing to one side of the tray, and that cues me in on whether my tray is really level or not. So I'll make sure it's level as I set it up to dry, because I want that design to stay where I get it. Just using tweezers to take out little hairs or anything I see. Sometimes I use a sewing needle for that. Okay, so this is 24 hours later. It's completely hardened, and I've put a little bit of adhesive size in lines and veins in just a design that I wanted across the tray. And on top of that, I'm overlaying some silver leaf. And I use just a clean, soft brush and my finger to remove the excess. And then finally I go in with the vacuum cleaner and get all those little pieces up before I do the resin top coat. Here's another little tip. Wipe the surface with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, just to make sure that you get all of the oils off the surface. Like when I was using my finger to spread out the silver leaf, my hands will have like some oils on them, and the resin doesn't like to bind with oil, so just make sure to get the surface really nice and clean and dry before applying the resin again. And this extra top coat seals that silver leaf, and it also adds some dimension to the piece and just makes it extra smooth and shiny. Here is the finished product. This was an anniversary gift commissioned by Michael for his wife Ashley, and their wedding anniversary. And they used the wedding colors, which was the silver green and the purple. Thank you for watching. Hit thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more videos. I hope you stop by again soon. God bless.